Hello parents. Today we will know the 10 important things to do when your child does not listen to you. So, let's start. Kids not listening can be frustrating, but before you lose your cool, know this. It's normal. Kids are still learning how to respond, focus, and cooperate. Instead of yelling or feeling defeated, there are simple strategies that work wonders. Second is first connect with them. Before giving instructions, connect with your child emotionally. A gentle touch on the shoulder, calling their name softly, or even a quick hug can open up their attention and cooperation. Third is make eye contact. Instead of shouting from across the room, crouch down and make eye contact. Kids respond much better when you are physically at their level. It feels more personal and less like a distant command. Fourth is always use a calm tone. If your tone is angry or rushed, kids might shut down. Speak slowly, clearly, and warmly. A calm voice grabs attention better than loudness and makes it easier for your child to actually process what you are saying. Fifth is give them simple instructions. Long, complicated sentences lose kids first. Break down what you want to into short, clear steps. Instead of saying clean your room, try put your toys in the basket or place your books on the shelf. Sixth is do not give them command. Kids crave a sense of control. Instead of barking orders, offer two choices that you are okay with. Like would you like to brush your teeth first or put on pajamas first? It encourages cooperation without power struggles. Seventh is set clear boundaries. Kids need to know where the limits are and that those limits are solid. Be clear about what behavior is acceptable and stick to the boundaries you set, even if they against them a little. Eighth is use positive reinforcement. Catch them being good. Praise even small efforts to listen. A simple I love how you listened right away boosts their confidence and makes them more likely to listen next time too. Ninth is give them time to respond. Kids don't always respond instantly. They might need a few seconds to process what you said. After giving an instruction, pause for a bite before repeating yourself. Patience can sometimes be magic.